Good evening, my dear friends. I hope you have enjoyed all four lectures in today's lecture series on career opportunities in life sciences on an online platform for the students of life sciences, Botany for You. Now I request to my friend Dr. Vishal Patil, Assistant Professor in Botany, Vidyabharati College, Selu, District Wardha, Maharashtra, to propose a vote of thanks. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my dear friends. Respected teachers from different parts of the nation associated with us on this online platform, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Maharashtra, coordinator of this one-day lecture series and founder of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences, and the founder members of this online platform, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Senior Scientist, Biomolecular Analysis Facility, School of Medicine, University of Virginia Medical, Charlottesville, Virginia, US, Dr. Nitin Labane, Associate Professor, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Associate Professor, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, Maharashtra, and Dr. Deepak Koche, Associate Professor, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra, and my dear student participants in this lecture series. On behalf of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences and National Teacher Organization in Life Sciences, I, Dr. Vishal Patil, Assistant Professor in Botany, Vidyabharati College, Selu, District Wardha, Maharashtra, take this opportunity to give formal vote of thanks on occasion of this one-day lecture series on career opportunities in life sciences on today, 11th June 2020, through an online platform, Botany for You. In today's session, we have tried to provide 4 lectures on 4 different titles in life sciences. I am very much confident about its outcome and benefits for our students on this online platform. I express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Tushar Wankhede sir, Associate Professor in Botany, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, Maharashtra, and founder member of Botany for You, for his informative lecture in this session. I also extend our most sincere thanks to Dr. Deepak Koche sir, Associate Professor in Botany, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra, and also founder member of Botany for You, for his erudite lecture on research opportunities in life sciences. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Bhupesh Giridharan sir, Associate Director Research, R&D Wing, Shri Balaji Medical College and Hospital, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Krompet, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, for his support and cooperation in the form of his wonderful lectures on career opportunities in virology. I am also equally thankful to Dr. S. Abdul Qadir sir, Assistant Professor in Botany, Presidency College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, for his informative lecture on opportunities in life sciences. Friends, it is really a matter of pride for me to share such various dynamic and renowned personalities and their knowledge with you through this online platform because of the efforts taken by Dr. Pitambar Humne sir, founder Botany for You and Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Maharashtra, for his extraordinary efforts to create this online platform for the student of life sciences to help them in academics, career and personality development. Thanks a lot, sir. Friends, it would not be fair if I fail to recognize the contributions of the teachers all over the nation who supported in organizations of this platform. Thank you very much, you all, respected teachers in life sciences. And no doubt, this program is grand success only because of our student participants from various colleges from different states of India who supported by showing their overwhelming response in this lecture series. Thank you very much, you all, for your kind participation, cooperation and support. Once again, thanks a lot.